In today's video, I'm unboxing the MacBook Air M4 15-inch. I have already opened it once, but I'm unboxing it again to show you what's in the package. So on the top, you get the MacBook Air itself, MagSafe charging cable with the Type-C end. It's a braided MagSafe cable and the color of the cable matches the color of the MacBook. Then you have some documentations here. You have the dual USB-C charger. It's a 35-watt charger. Okay, now let's unwrap the MacBook. And this is our MacBook. So this is the midnight color variant and it comes with a matte finish. On the right side, you just get a headphone jack. On the left, you get two Type-C ports and a MagSafe charging port.